Hello everybody, this is Turtwig Animations here, and I have some good announcements. I'm doing animation auditions. So rules, you need to have Google Hangouts and Google Slides. If you get a 5 out of 10, you are accepted. Here's an audio for the audition. Hey Cowboy Boo. Yeah, what is it? Don't you know we're doing an animation audition? Oh, really? I didn't notice. Well, what do I need to do? I don't know anything you want to do. I just want to sit down. Oh, well, I want to zoom into the camera. Hey camera, we're doing an audition in our creator Turtwig Animations. Wait, who's Turtwig Animations? I don't know, this weird guy. Oh. Send me a link if you're done with your video.